we're going to be talking about how to manifest money, prosperity, wealth, and abundance using bay leaves. Stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave and click the little bell, because when you don't click the bell, you might not be notified every time I upload a new video. So click the bell, that way you're always notified so you don't miss out on any of these manifestation videos. I upload a law of attraction manifestation video every single week on my channel, and you don't want to miss out. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to use a bay leaf to attract money and wealth and abundance, prosperity, basically anything financial or anything like money related or just free stuff that you want to attract into your life. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So what you're going to need is a pen. I prefer a Sharpie and a bay leaf. Now I also like to use tweezers, and you're also going to need a lighter so that you can burn this. So what you're going to do is keep in mind your intention of how much you want to attract or how much you want your income to be financially, like where do you want to be in your life. Or if you need money for a bill, like you need $50 for your phone bill, then keep that in mind. Or whatever amount of money that it is you want to attract, you want to write that amount on your bay leaf. Now, not everybody wants to attract a specific amount of money. Sometimes we just want to attract like abundance into our life every day, like a comfortable amount of financial income every single day so that we're comfortable. So what you would write is your name, your birth date, and a comfortable amount of financial income in my life every single day to live comfortably. You can write something like that. You can write abundance on your bay leaf. You can write prosperity on your bay leaf. You can have just dollar signs on your bay leaf. You can write a amount on your bay leaf. For today, what I am going to write on my bay leaf is, for today, what I want to write on my bay leaf and burn is the word abundance. Because I want not just money, but I want an abundance to flow into my life every single day. And if it's in the form of money, then I'll take it. So I will write $3 signs on here, or I'll just write a bunch of dollar signs on here. Whatever resonates with you, write that. After you write that, you want to take your lighter and you just want to start to burn it. So basically you just burn it. And that's it. Your intention, your wish, your goal is just being sent out into the heavens, the ethers, the universe, and it's being sent out with the energy of the bay leaf, the energy of your intention, and it's just a beautiful ritual. It's a beautiful process, and basically that's all you do. That's all you need to do. Let it go now. Go do whatever you need to do. Go do something fun. Like, the best way to attract things into your life is to have fun. There's a very powerful energy in having fun. So what you want to do with the ashes is you want to go out and blow it into the wind, or you want to give it back to the earth so you can just like throw it into the dirt in front of your house, in your backyard, or you can use the ashes and put it in a candle and burn it. Sometimes I just throw it away, to be honest. So that's basically it. That's how you use a bay leaf to attract money, wealth, abundance, financial gain, basically material stuff that you want to attract into your life. Now, when you burn a bay leaf, sometimes if your intention is strong enough, you can attract these things to you quick and in ways that like will blow your mind. Sometimes you'll get a hunch, and you really should follow the hunch, because it's like a signal, a sign, a push from the universe. Say you wanted to attract $100. You wrote $100 on your bay leaf, and you have this invitation to go to a dinner. So you go to the dinner and your bill turns out to be $100, and somebody else offers to pay for your bill. That you just attracted $100 into your life that way. So it doesn't always come in the form of cash money. It can come in the form of somebody paying for you, somebody giving you a gift, somebody just buying something for you that you've been wanting. It could come in so many different kinds of forms. So there's a lot of people that try to attract a place to live, and a lot of people think that like, I need money to attract a place to live. Like, I need the down payment, I need the deposit, I need this amount of cash, I need monthly rent. And sometimes the universe works in such incredible, amazing ways. Like, you could attract a place to live. Say there's an old lady that needs a roommate. She's lonely, she's old, she just needs a roommate to kind of clean up the house a little bit and just help her just a little bit. And you get to stay there for like such a great discounted price. You get to live in this amazing, beautiful place. You have one roommate, but she's like, you know, doing her own thing. So you just never know. Like, that's just one example of like a million different kinds of ways that you can attract things into your life, especially a place to live, money, food. There's so many ways you can attract so many different things into your life. And I feel like bay leaves help your focus. They help you put your intention on something, burn it, release it, and move on until it comes to you. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try to answer as many as I can. Also, be sure to check out my other videos on bay leaves. I will leave my bay leaf playlist down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!